Now, by the end of this video, you guys are going to learn the easiest swing trading strategy called the trend line strategy. Whether you're a beginner or maybe you're a more advanced trader just wanting to learn more strategies, this video is going to benefit you tremendously. We're going to be talking about the checklist I use, the strategy, the breakdown, how I plan out these trades, my entries, exits, all that good stuff. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And if you guys want to learn more about trading, swing trading in the market, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat. It's like a college class. It's an 8-week course. You guys have lifetime access to it. And guys, guess what? We have a crazy sale going on for 51% off by using code TRADER. Code TRADER at the checkout. Just type it in the promo code and you will get 51% off. One of the largest sales we've done. So click that link, sign up, and I'll see you guys in there, and let's jump into this. The best trading strategy. Let's go. All right. The trend line strategy is by far one of the best basic strategies out there. I love the expression MISS, M-I-S-S, make it simple, stupid. For me and my trading approach, I'm not going to overcomplicate my trading. I'm not going to have 30 different scanners going and monitors going. No, I'm not. I'm going to keep it very, very, very basic here. So the first thing that you guys are going to need is going to be a way to find stocks. Now, there's several different ways. Now, the way I always use it is just by using the broker scanner, Moomoo. Now, I'll put a link to Moomoo down below because they offer charting, scanning, paper trading, fraction shares. So you need some sort of scanner to help find these opportunities. Another great one is Finvez. Finvez is fantastic and it's completely free as well. So it's good to have a combination of all of them. All right, now let's talk about my checklist here. This is a stock here that we were recently looking at to take a position with, and this is ticker symbol OBDC. OBDC here, the first thing you have to look at is the trend. Trend, in my opinion, is one of the most underutilized thing traders don't even pay attention to. A lot of people think that a stock on a downward trend is best for traders because you can buy it at a lower price and sell it higher. When in reality, most stocks that are selling off, what do they continue to do? Sell off. But most stocks with buying pressure and an upward trend continue to get buying pressure. So the first thing is trend. After we establish this good upward trend like we did with OBDC, the next thing here is support. And this is where drawing that trend line is so incredibly important, and having a broker like Moomoo that offers drawing tools is very, very important here. What we're looking for is that we can actually remove these moving average lines, but what we're looking for here is touches. We want a straight line with a minimum of 3 touches of buying pressure here. So as we look at it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Each and every time we get natural tendencies of getting great buying pressure on this, establishing a support for the stock. A support is just natural buying pressure that the stock hits. It can be a trend line, a moving average line. It could be a certain indicator you pay attention to. After we establish the trend here, the next thing on my checklist is looking at another very, very important indicator called the RSI. The RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. This indicator tracks momentum. At the time here, right now, it's trading for a 36. Now, the last time it was trading for a 36, it was back in this range where it was on that trend line. Previous to that was right in here where we saw good buying pressure. Previous to that was in here where we saw this good move. So what we have is a stock on an upward trend, sold off down to a support zone on that trend line. After that, it's undervalued on the RSI. A lot of people would say, all right, it's a buy. Let's jump into this thing, head over heels, dive in. No. You want to look at other time frames. Other time frames will draw a better picture because one time frame could be telling you to buy, like the daily chart, but then one could be telling you to hold off. And the reason I say that is because right now we could enter this trend line, but we still have this short-term downward trend. So what do you look for? You go to that lower time frame here, we look at it and we established a breakout zone. Now, a breakout zone is a very, very simple approach here. What we do is we draw this general downward trend here where it hits this resistance several times. You guys can see, hits it, selling pressure, hits it here, selling pressure, hits it here, selling pressure. And we put an alert right above this. We set an alert right here. So if the stock pops up above this trend line, we are notified. Now, this is a very, very great approach that all types of investors, traders use. You also can use moving average lines to help you with your trading, to find stocks that are on support lines, to help find resistance zones, and just overall plan out your trades a little better. So this is a simple approach you guys can do where you would enter on that breakout. We can actually plan that. Enter on that breakout, keep your stop loss just below that lower zone for a possible push up to resistance here, which would give a very nice about 3-to-1 risk versus reward, which is absolutely incredible. And that's exactly what we look for here. This is a simple approach that you guys can do, finding that stock on an upward trend, on that trend line, on that undervalued RSI, using other indicators, other time frames, using good risk management to plan out your trades, your entries, your exits, and your stop loss. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.